Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapith Residential School, Shupri, and I welcome you to watch my channel regularly so that you can improve your English language. Well, today I am going to explain you how to write a letter to the collector about malfunctioning of government hospital or the lack of facilities in our government hospital. Okay, so let us study and discuss about how to write letter to against malfunctioning of government hospital and lack of facilities. Well, let us study. Okay, so we write directly. Okay, so you can write here at the upper side, left side at the page, on the page left side at the top of the page you can write address of the senders. For example, we are writing letter, so our address will be written at the top of page at the left side of the page. Okay, so here we can write. Okay, so let us write. Okay, for example, we are living in Saraswati Vidyapith or we belong to Saraswati Vidyapith, so we say or we write our address. Okay, so we can write here Saraswati Vidyapith. Okay, Saraswati Vidyapith Residential School, Shivpuri and MP, and pin code also, if you want to write you can write 473551. Okay, next step you can write below this one date. You can mention date also. Here you can mention date. Today's date means on which day you are going to write a letter, that day should be mentioned below the sender's address. Okay, today's date you can write for example today is the 14 July, so you can mention here today's date means today is 14 July, so you can mention here 14 July 2020, you can mention here. Okay, next step you are going to explain to the collector. Okay, salutation you can write. Well, so to the collector Shivpuri, to the collector Shivpuri MP, or you can write here, you can remove from here, you can to the collector district you can write. Okay, district collector Shivpuri and MP you can write. Okay, so this is very interesting method I am explaining you. Okay, how to write a letter to the collector against any malfunctioning of any institution you can write, or this is a complaint letter you can see there. Okay, so next step you are going to understand how to write you can write here with subject also. Okay, so here you can mention subject. Subject means you can mention here problem, what is your problem, so you can complain collector. So subject you can write here subject you can write here. Okay, so you can write here malfunctioning of government hospital, malfunctioning of government hospital. Hospital. Okay, So this is very interesting subject should be so attractive or you can say the real problem should be explained here. Okay, so now come to the next. You can start this with the respected sir. Okay, you can write here respected sir. Respected sir. Here you can put comma. Next you can write from here. I would like. Okay, I will explain briefly our problem in contentment. This is called body of the letter. Okay, so we can write here I would like. Here you should be blank, that should be left below blank. You can write. Okay, so I would like to draw your kind attention. I would like to draw your kind attention and to the lake. Lake means deprived of no facility. Lake means no facility. So to the lake of facilities and malfunctioning of government hospital. Okay, so this one you can write, and I request also, and I request you to take legal action against I would like to request you to take legal action against the management hospital. You can say against the management of hospital. Okay, so you can write your problems also. There are only two doctors in my hospital. You can write there are only two doctors and three nurses. There are only two doctors and three nurses, and they are also not available on time. Okay, so they are also not available in the hospital on time. So there are different kinds of the problems are creating or are being created in hospital due to the lack of staff or lack of different kinds of the facilities also. Well, now come to the next point. You can write if you have so many problems, so you can mention in the letter. Okay, next you can write there is no facility of sonography. Okay, so there is no facility of sonography and X-ray So there is no facility of sonography and X-ray. There is no available necessary medicines also or proper medicines. Nurses never try to attend the patients the nurses never try to attend the patients properly. So you can write here because there is no space in this. So I would like finish this letter here. And so I will be highly obliged. You can finish this letter with the sentence I will be or I shall be highly obliged. You can write here, okay? So I want to clean it, okay? So now clean this, okay? This is the body of letter or contentment of letter. So you can write here. So you can finish this letter with the words or sentences. Okay. There is no facility of proper medicines. So people are facing many problems. Okay. So now you can finish this letter with the word or sentences I will be. Okay. I will be highly obliged. I will be highly obliged to you if you look into this matter quickly. Okay. So here you can write thanking. Okay. Without thanking, you should not write letter. There should be mentioned thanking. Okay. So thanking. Thanking you. And lastly, you can finish the by your sincerely, your faithfully. Just like once you can write at the last and the bottom of the left side of the page. So you can write here yours. Sincerely you can write. Or faithfully also you can use. Your faithfully. So you can write your name here. Ram Prakash Patel. Okay. So other your address is explained here or so it is written here. So no need to write here. Okay. So this is very interesting. There is a very interesting method I have explained you in my previous video also. So I taught you how to write a letter. Okay. So this is a very interesting method to write any letter to the higher officer. So it is where there is a need of also, because there are so many malfunctioning of government institutions also. So we can write letter against them. So it is a very interesting matter to all the students, and I hope you will have understood the concept of how to write a letter. to the collector, it means complaint letter. So thank you to watch my channel, my video, and I am feeling so pleasure because you are watching my channel so regularly. So thank you once more again, thank you.